I like to think of the Brant as the doppelganger of the Canada goose, though it's a smaller bird that tends to be more secretive and ephemeral than its rather ubiquitous, fearless cousin. We'll focus on what is known as the Atlantic population of this circumpolar breeder, which is the form of the species found in our region during the fall and spring migrations. Having the shortest tail of any goose species, and collectively known as a blizzard, Brants fly in a straight line formation, unlike Canada geese. Also, unlike Canada geese, they prefer natural habitats for breeding and overwintering, and are still wild by comparison. In fact, the salt gland of this species allows it to actually drink seawater. This small goose has the same basic shape and color patterns, but instead of the large white cheek and long bill of the Canada goose, the Brant has a small broken white collar below its head and a shorter black neck from which the black extends to the chest, where it meets a pale brownish white belly with brown barring. The legs are black, and the undertail of the bird is entirely white, with a black edge on the end of the tail. The Brant's back and upper parts are dark gray-brown. This species name has erroneously been linked to the ancient Greek term brenthos, meaning water bird. The call is a nasally broken honk that's quite similar to the Canada goose. This plant-eating goose passes through our region from late September through mid-November on the long journey from its breeding grounds in the high Arctic to its coastal wintering grounds. We see it again from mid-May to mid-June as it's heading north for another brief Arctic summer. For local reference, the Brant is one of the trigger species of this region's globally significant Lac des Chênes-Ottawa River Important Bird Area.